scared of you because he will shit on you. Hiya. Excuse me. Your shit dirty. Dirty. Did you just eat your own poop? Hmm?